I am making a video to show you how to use the Titus Tech tool. So go to Google or whatever. Sorry, I gotta shrink this down so it actually fits. Titus Tech debloat 11. There should be GitHub. Here it is. All right, now you're gonna go down to here. Hopefully this shows up. You're gonna want to run Windows PowerShell as an admin. Okay. Boom, there it is. Now on here, scroll all the way down. You're gonna find stable branch right here, recommended. Copy that and run it in PowerShell. It's gonna take just a second. Boom, there it is. Go to tweaks, press standard, and then say run tweaks, and it'll take about 5-10 minutes. All right, that's it.